Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to unsubscribe from OnlyFans. Unsubscribing from OnlyFans can be done from the OnlyFans website or using the OnlyFans mobile application. Simply open the OnlyFans application or log into OnlyFans on a web browser, and once you are logged into the main homepage, tap on the search icon at the top right hand corner. Enter the name of the contact or the creators you are trying to unsubscribe from in the search box. Once you get to their profile, if you have already subscribed to the user, you will be able to see an unsubscribe button. Simply look and tap on the unsubscribe button from the menu. You can also select a specific region while you are trying to unsubscribe from the creator, and that way you will be able to unsubscribe on OnlyFans. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.